What's up, girls? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a Black Friday haul for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys all the items that I got from Black Friday. Mind you, I was shopping all of November and I'm still shopping now, but these specific items are like things that were part of like brands Black Friday deals. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys all of that. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram. And yes, let's go and get started. All right, so I first want to start off with the two items that I got that are non-makeup related, and those are some fitness items. These are from the brand Alani Nu. Starting off, this is the pre-workout from Alani Nu. This is their Aloha Pineapple, and I really like their pre-workout. This is my second like jar. I had their Hawaiian Breeze last year, and then I ran out and I just didn't buy anymore. But I was like, you know what? It's Black Friday. I'm pretty sure someone's gonna be running a sale, and they were having a buy one get one half off. So I picked this up. This does cost $40, and yeah, it's good for a whole month. I personally really like their pre-workout just because I have tried some other pre-workouts, and yo, I be feeling like I'm on drugs. Now I don't know what it feels like to be on drugs. I never did drugs, but if I did, I feel like that's what I'll feel like. Like my whole body's like tingling, like if you've ever taken pre-workout, you know what I'm talking about. Like it's just intense, and you still get that with this one, but it's not nearly as severe as some other ones that I've tried. Like it's very mild, and I don't know, I hate that feeling. But do I get a good workout? Like, do I feel pumped? Yes, this definitely gives me an additional boost of like energy, so I love that. On to the fat burner pills. So these are pills, and they are supposed to increase your metabolism, promote fat loss, and increase your energy and focus. And then the main thing that I was reading that this would help, I don't know if this is supposed to help suppress appetite. I feel like I watched a video on this product because I was interested in it, and I watched somebody's video, and I think they said that. To be honest, I don't know if I noticed any of that, but that's the main reason why I wanted this. I want something that's gonna suppress appetite. I just feel like if I stop eating, I'll lose weight. Like I have been taking this. I had got this stuff like almost 2 weeks ago or a week and a half ago, and to be honest, I don't know if I feel like it's doing anything. I really don't know. So I can't really recommend this product to you guys because I don't know if it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. As far as like energy and being focused, last week was finals. I was taking these pills, and I was still scrolling on Instagram. Like I just could not focus on I could not focus on what I had to read. But you know, I got through finals. You know, girl passed all her classes. This is not a product that's gonna like burn fat, so don't expect that. I never go into any of this with that. But yeah, this is these pills. I'm gonna keep taking them. I'll let you guys know. I'll update you guys if anything changes. But to be honest, I don't know. I don't know if I'm seeing anything. And I mean, I would love to tell you guys that these pills are like amazing and you're gonna lose all this weight, but I just don't know. So next up, I have a lip gloss that I got from Mcgrath. She was having 25% off for anything under $150. I got it wrong in my last video. It was 25% off for anything under $150, and if you spent $150 or more, you got 30% off. So with the lip gloss, and I also picked up her Decadence palette, I was able to get these on sale. So this is what this lip gloss looks like. And this was from her, she came out this last year, and when it was at Sephora, I passed on it, and then once we no longer had it, I wanted it. This is such a pretty color. One thing I love about Mcgrath's lip gloss is that they're really glossy, but they also have pigment to them. So just keep that in mind. They're not your sheer glosses. Like they're high shine with good amount of pigment. I picked up her Decadence palette, which looks like this. It's an all shimmer palette. None of these shades are her special shades. These are just her regular metallic formula. And I do have an entire video ranking my Mcgrath palette. So if you want to see more about Mcgrath, check that video out. I feel like my lighting is all sorts of messed up, and I'm gonna have to probably color correct this video because I just feel like I look really yellow green. Okay, the next items we have are all palettes and eyeshadows. I love eyeshadow. That's literally all I've been buying this year. Like foundation, you're not gonna catch me buying foundation. Concealer, not gonna catch me buying. Blush, highlight, what are those? I literally only buy eyeshadow palettes. That is the main thing that I have gotten this year. I've gotten a couple of lip products because I do like me a nice little gloss, but It's primarily eyeshadows. If you like eyeshadows, I think you're gonna love my channel because I love talking about eyeshadow palettes. I have a lot of them, so yeah. So starting off, I picked up some singles from JD Glow. These are their Multichromes, and it's so hard to show these like on camera. There's no way to like actually show you guys what these look like, but dang. See. Anyways, whatever. I can't, like, with these lights, it's hard to see them, but like looking down, I'm seeing the reflex. Let me swatch these. These are crazy. Like, ooh, look at how, I'm telling you guys. So they shift colors. Like, there's just no way to show you guys, but let me swatch them here. Oh, look, you guys can kind of see it. Yeah, you guys can kind of see the shades. Different colors. But anyways, JD Glow Cosmetics is a black owned brand, and I was definitely gonna support. Oh, and the shades that I got in their Multichromes were the shades Urgent, No Way, and A Lot. They have 5 of them, and I picked up 4 out of the 5. The other one was called Seaweed. I literally didn't buy it because I only had room for 4, so I was like, I can only pick 4 of y'all, and these are the 4 shades that I wanted the most. So that's why I didn't get the other one, just because I wanted it to go in this quad, and there's not room for you, so I didn't buy that. Okay, next is the ColourPop Fade into Hue. You guys, I caved and bought this palette. And the minute that I got it, I was just like, why the hell did I do it? Like, the minute it came in the mail, I opened the box, like I ripped into it, opened it, and I was just like, why did I buy this? Like, Whitney, you're stupid. No, I'm not, God forbid. God forbid, I'm not stupid, I'm smart. But I was just like, Whitney, what is wrong with you? You do not need this. Like, you know when you do something, like you're itching to, like you're tempted to do something and you finally do it, and it's just like, it wasn't even worth it. That's literally how I felt about this palette. By the way, this is what I have on my eyes. I did film this look. It should be up after this video goes up. But yeah, so this is what that palette looks like. It's just your standard rainbow palette. And as you guys know here on my channel, I own a lot of rainbow palettes, so I did not need this. I have all these shades in here. None of them are new to me. I'm positive I own every single one of these colors in other palettes, but yet again, it was on sale and I bought it. Next up, Midas Cosmetics was running a sale, and I picked up 2 of their palettes. I've been wanting the Smoky Glow palette. I recently discovered her this year, and I like her. I feel like her channel is definitely more commentary / drama channel, but more commentary, but she does it with such a grace that I like. I don't watch a lot of drama channels because they're just so annoying. Like, they're so biased. Like, you could tell who's feeding them information and who you're favoriting. Is that even a word? Who you're favoring, that's what it is. Who you're favoring. So I don't like, and I just don't want to fill my head up with all of that nonsense. Like, I just, but her stuff, I do actually like her channel. So she had a collab with with Midas Cosmetics, and this is what her palette looks like. And of course I wanted it. Do y'all see all these pinks and purples and everything? Like, of course I was gonna buy it. This shade right here, called, what is it called? Lino or Lena? Is it Lino or Lino? Yeah, Lino. Oh my goodness, that's such a pretty shade. And then the shade right next to it, Rose. Oof. Yes. And then following, I picked up the Flower Bomb palette, which looks like this. Isn't this such a stunning palette? Oh my goodness. Just look at how gorgeous this palette is. It just screams springtime to me. Like, then this yellow pressed glitter. I have a look at mine for this. Like, I literally want to take this shade. So you see how I have my eyes today? So instead of like the green, the blue into purple, I would just have that blue all over, and then I'll cut my crease and then take this like shade right here, this camel color, put it on the parts where I cut my crease at, if that makes sense. So where this like shimmer glitter stuff is, it'll go there. Do a wing, some light. Oof, oof. I feel so inspired looking at this palette. This is such a nice color story. So they were running, I can't remember what their sale was, but it was pretty good. Like, I think I only spent $40 including shipping for both those palettes. Okay, next, Plain and Makeup by Yolando ran a sale. She had 50% off, and then after I bought this palette, she now has 60% off on Cyber Monday. So I was just like, really? But it's okay. I mean, this 50% is still good, okay? These palettes retail for $50, so to get this at $25, I ain't mad at you. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. You guys know I love playing and makeup by Yolanda here on my channel. So of course, I mean, I was like, why not get this? And this palette is absolutely gorgeous. Like this shade right here, Becky. She won. Ooh, this color is so freaking pretty. Oh my goodness. And then, cause you know, like literally I be creating looks in my head. I would take this forest green shade in the palette, which is called Missy. And then I would take the shade Patsy. So Patsy would be my crease color, right? And then I would take this, put it in my outer V, cut the crease, put that gold shade on the top. Like, it's a look right there. Ooh, I can't wait to do that. Like, I literally have that all planned out. But her shadows are super intense. Like, let me swatch a couple more just so you guys can really see. By the way, black owned brand, okay? Black owned, shop black owned. Let me swatch Natasha, Michelle. We got Claudia. Look at these colors. And I'm gonna do Simone. I'm gonna put them, I'm just gonna swatch them here. Look at that. Woo! I mean, why do you other chicks even bother? Ignore me, okay. I love this brand's formula. This is the 4th palette that I bought from them, and I am not disappointed. These shadows are crazy. Like, look at this. Look at this. This looks like liquid. It looks like Jesus himself came down and was mixing the eyeshadow and now did one something to it and put holy water and cried in it and sprinkled his tears. I don't know, he did something to it and said, here, take. This is so beautiful. Okay, let me move on. You guys should definitely check them out. They are an up and coming brand and they have some really good shadows, and I do have like 2 tutorials on my channel using some of their other stuff, so definitely check them out. And lastly, the brand Certifeye. This is a UK based brand. They were running a sale and they were 65% off. This was the brand that had the biggest discount, and I'm so glad that I waited because I wanted to buy both these palettes in the summertime, and these retail for 30 pounds, okay? 30 pounds converted to American dollars costs a whole lot more. So I picked up the Affinity and the Affinity 2 palette. This is what the Affinity looks like. It is your standard sunset palette. Like, it almost reminds me of a smaller condensed version of the Jaclyn Volume 2 palette with Morphe. So that's what this palette looks like, and it's an all matte palette. So if you are somebody who wants this type of colors, but you just want it all matte, you would like this. So yeah, they had it for 65% off. And then this is the Affinity 2, and it's just your all green, all blue type of palette. Look, like, oh, I love shades like this. Oh my goodness. This one does have like a couple shimmers in here, but it's still primarily matte. So yeah, I got both of these palettes right here. And that is it to my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't really get too much on Black Friday because I mean I've been shopping all year long, so a lot of the stuff I was just kind of already owned, but I did pick up some stuff, and I did pick up some more stuff recently. Actually, I just made a purchase last night. Oh y'all, I don't get good sleep at night, so I always wake up like at 3, like from 2 to 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm always awake and I'm just like on YouTube watching videos or on Instagram, and that is such a dangerous time because I feel very vulnerable at the time, and before I know it, I'm making purchases. So like I need to get, I don't know what it is, like I cannot sleep 8 hours straight. Like my body has to do it in sessions. Like we go sleep a couple hours and then I have to take a nap in the afternoon. Like I don't know what it is. Like I just can't. Like I wake up early. I can go to sleep super late. I go to sleep at 2 o'clock in the morning. Best believe my body will be up at 7. Why? What are we doing up? I'm tired. I'm off today. Like why are we awake? It's so annoying, but I naturally am an early bird. I wake up super early. But anyways, that's besides the point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.